Vintage Harvest Reclaimed Lumber. You can easily create your very own beautiful accent wall. Let's begin. Before we get started, we'll need a few tools: a tape measure and a pencil, brad nail gun for finishing nails, dark paint if needed, and a roller, a miter and chop saw, a level, a jigsaw, and most importantly, eye protection. Other tools and fasteners that work the same can be used as well. Step 1. Paint. Remove any wall and light switch plates. Paint your wall a dark color, or simply use spray paint where there may be a see-through hole. This is only needed if you have knots or nail holes in the wood. Next, find and mark your studs. Design the look of your accent wall by laying out the wood in a creative way. Install the top, middle, or bottom board first. Using your nail gun, apply the board where you've marked the studs. Mark where your outlets will be on the planks. By using your jigsaw, cut out the wood. Nicely done! You've created a stunning accent wall using Vintage Harvest Reclaimed Lumber. Be sure to visit us at vintageharvestlumber.com.